Welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes. Class 8, English book, chapter 6. The lesson name is the Hornbill Festival. Yeah, the title of the lesson is Hornbill Festival. So student, hornbill is one of a bird. Have you seen? This bird is colorful bird, different types of color. As festival means different type of amusement, fun, eating, dances, song, decorations. These are the things happen in the festival. That's why the festival title is given a Hornbill Festival. So student, Hornbill Festival is very important festival in Nagaland. This festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Do you know Nagaland of India? India, just like this India, roughly. And this area, Nagaland in this area, northeast. India's northeast side is called Nagaland. Okay, clear to understand? So the Hornbill Festival is the most anticipated cultural. Anticipated means expected hopefully. Cultural carnival means cultural festival of Nagaland. This is cultural festival. Do you know festival? Religious festival. And here cultural festival means their lifestyle. How they eat, how they dress, how they dance, how they sing, how they fun. This type of festival is called Hornbill Festival. It's clear? Located in northeast India, I have told you here Nagaland. Nagaland is very beautiful, good country, yes, good state, and ethnically different type of race. Yeah, distinction of different types of race. Diverse state. Diverse means different types of states, and here around 7 sister states are there. Let's see. With all the major tribes of the state participating in the festivities, all the states, around 7 sister states, they participate in this grand program. Yeah, in this festival, Hornbill is the best way of catching a glimpse of Naga life. In this festival, we know their life in a very partial view. Yeah. Suppose you go to any festival or any place, we know their culture, we know their lifestyle, we know their living standard, what they eat, what they dress, what they sing, what they dance, what they do, everything we know. If anybody goes this type of place, they know about all these things. Glimpse means partial view. Okay, the festival is named after the Indian hornbill. I have told you, this festival named by the hornbill is a bird, colorful bird. In the bird's name, this festival is the colorful wild bird is a significant means very important part of the folklore. Folklore means literature of a culture which is not written. Unwritten literature culture of most Naga tribe. The literature which has no written records. Yeah, this type of festival is it. The hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribals. Yeah, hornbill is often displayed. Display means सजा जाता है, पूरा चारों तरफ सजा जाता है. या मे बी द बर्ड, मतलब चारों तरफ hornbill को ही सजा जाता है. देखिए hornbill is often displayed on the traditional tribal headgear. Do you know headgear means? हेड ओन आइटम्स. सर में पहनने वाला चीज को हेड गियर बोलते हैं. ओर मीन्स पहनाया गया. या ड्यूरिंग नागा फेस्टिविटीज. या इस चिड़िया का पंख, इस चिड़िया का सजावट, और बहुत सारा चीज को सर में सजाते हैं. एंड दे हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ डेकोरेशन एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ टू मच amusement in these programs. Let's see, this is all about the beginning. So over the years, means many years before, The festival has evolved from being just a Naga event into a biggest celebration of the camaraderie between the 7 sister states of the Northeast. Now, this program is from 7 sister states. Yeah, the program is of a camaraderie, means quality of affording easy familiarity, means very popular in 7 states, sister states of Northeast India. Okay, so everybody like this type of programs around this area. Let's start. Cultural troops. Do you know cultural troops means the troop which are different groups of culture from across the region participate during the week-long celebration. Week means 7 days. 7 sisters states and 7 days program, and everyone they participate in this program. Okay, cultural troops from across the region participate during this week-long celebration. It is also known as the Festival of Festivals. Means variety of festivals in this Hornbill festivals. बहुत तरह का आमोद प्रमोद होता है. Hornbill festival is a great time to experience the cultural diversity. Do you know cultural diversity means different culture. Do you know culture? Just like Odia culture means they are wearing sari, they are worship, they are namaskar, they are talking, they are eating, everything we know. Yeah, the dress and by every attitude we can know. So Hornbill festival is a great time to experience the cultural diversity of not just Nagaland but the entire Northeast. Not only Nagaland, the entire Northeast means 7 sister states. Everybody is they know about the different cultures. Yeah. Let's start, student. The festival is held in the first week of December. When the festival start? First week is 7 days of December. Okay. So the main venue means location, place of the festival is the Naga Heritage Village in Kisama. Kisama Naga Heritage Village. Do you know heritage means from the many generation this village is full of contribution and full of property. Heritage means property of fathers. My heritage means my father's property is mine, means that is my heritage. Taj Mahal is our forefathers' heritage. Yeah. Heritage village in the cluster of 16 tribal houses. इसमें कितना ट्राइबल हाउसेस है? इस किसामा में 16 ट्राइबल हाउसेस, 16 ठो ट्राइबल जनजाति को है, उनका घर है, उनका घर के बारे में है. Each house is constructed in the indigenous architectural concept of a specific Naga tribe. Each house is constructed in the indigenous means particular place. Yeah, indigenous means अपने एरिया का जो डिजाइन है. They are given belonging to a particular place rather than coming is from somewhere else. बाहर का नहीं, अपने एरिया का डिजाइन. या स्वदेशी अपना एरिया. इंडिजिनस आर्किटेक्चरल कॉन्सेप्ट मीन्स डिफरेंट डिजाइन ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक नागा ट्राइब. उनके एरिया में जिस ढंग से बनाया जाता है उसी एरिया का डिजाइन का ही घर है. कितना? 16 ठो जो घर है बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध है. या इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स रेप्लिका. रेप्लिका मीन्स एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ ए मोरम यूथ डॉर्मेटरी. डॉर्मेटरी मीन्स बेडरूम. उनके अंदर बेडरूम भी बहुत बढ़िया बेडरूम है. which forms an integral part of the Naga way of living. Integral means essential part of the Naga way of living. By seeing this type of houses, 16 houses, and their like bedroom and their life, their own type of house, yeah, by new लाइफस्टाइल, नागालैंड का जो जीवन शैली कैसा है, we can understand by seeing their houses. It's okay. There are 16 officially recognized Naga tribes, 16 houses, 16 official Naga tribes. What? Yeah, 16 जाति भी है, 16 घर भी है, 16 Naga tribes भी है. Means different types of जनजाति, tribes में जनजाति we tell, different types of local people. Yeah, they are different and unique in their customs. They may be different, just like उड़ीसा आदिवासी बहुत तरह के हैं, जंगल में रहने वाले. ऐसे ही they are different and unique means only one, means special in their own quality, in their customs and tradition. या custom and tradition, या जो प्रथा है, परंपरा है, जो चलते आता है, that is called customs and traditions. Yeah, they are very special in their culture. Let's see, the customs and traditions are further translated into festivals. Yeah, their custom and culture becomes their festival. What we live like, that becomes a festival finally. जो चीज़ को हम जीते हैं, जिस चीज़ को हम ढल जाते हैं, आगे चल के वही हमारे लिए त्यौहार बन जाता है. Songs and dances form the soul of these festivals, through which their oral history is passed on to the younger generations. Now, songs and dances. Yes, my dear students. उनका जो संगीत है, नृत्य कला है, ओरल मतलब मुंह से, not written form. From the older generation to the younger generation is passed from one generation to another generation. वो चलते आता है और उन लोग याद मुंह से ही गा गा के नाचते हुए याद रखते हैं. Yeah, songs and dances form the soul of these festivals, through which their oral history is passed on to the younger generation. Is clear? Each tribal community of Nagaland can be distinguished by the colorful and intricate customs and jewelry that its members wear. Now, each tribal community, yeah, community means different sampradaya, yeah, different types of faith. Yeah, each tribal means that area, yeah, whole local area of Nagaland can be distinguished, be divided by the colorful and intricate costumes. Colorful and intricate means very detailed costumes and jewelry, उनका सजावट, how they make up dress of their body and jewelry that its member wear. हर एक कैसे पहनते हैं उसके बारे में हम जान सकते हैं. The traditional attire of each tribe is unique. Traditional attire means their get off, their wearing of each tribe is unique. Unique means only one. Nagas also take immense pride. Immense means extremely great pride in their headgear, means head decoration. Head worn items which are usually woven with a fine bamboo. बम्बू का ही मास्क, बम्बू का ही कुछ पहनते हैं, सर को सजाते हैं. या एंड डेकोरेटेड विथ वाइल्ड ऑर्चिड, या तो जंगली प्लांट से ही सर को सजाते हैं. और हॉर्नबिल फीदर्स, या हॉर्नबिल जो चिड़िया है उसका ही पंख भी शरीर में मुंह में सजाते हैं. या सम ट्राइब्स ऑल्सो यूज द टीथ ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. कुछ ट्राइब तो उनका जानवरों का दांत को भी किस में मुंह में सजाते हैं शरीर में. To further decorate them in the body, they decorate the teeth of maybe the teeth of elephant, teeth of tiger, etc. Okay. The attire and headgear. Attire means whole body decoration. Headgear means the mouth face decoration. Are traditionally a display of the wearer's value. Wearers means those who wear the dress is very very smart looking. Bravery. Valor means bravery. Very brave war. It's okay. Kisama heritage. I am talking about the Kisama in a small village, about this Nagaland. Yeah, Nagaland of Nagaland of one of the village. Okay, let's see. So here, how the dress of, let's discuss, and let's study the Kisama heritage place. Village displays all the indigenous traditions and handicraft of Nagaland in great detail. Yeah, I have told you कि some of it heritage village displays all the indigenous means on local items, traditions and handicrafts. या ट्रेडिशन मीन्स उनका जो चलते आ रहा है परम प्रथा, या एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट में हैंडमेड आइटम्स ऑफ नागालैंड इन ग्रेट डिटेल्स. द बम्बू पेविलियन, bamboo, the house made of bamboo. Pavilion means the temporary house. Yeah, you have observed in the time of Dasahara in Odisha, the bamboo designs. Yeah, very temporary house for 2, 3, 5 days you decorate. In the same way, in the time of festival, they use all the bamboo items. Yeah, pavilions is a major highlight at Hornbill festival. The Naga people are known for their impassable means craftsmanship, impassable without doing mistake, this craftsmanship. Yeah, they have great art in these bamboo designs from jewelry to houses. Naga people can build almost anything with bamboo, either decoration or the house design. Almost all the items they designed by bamboo plant. Is clear? Then see, the pavilion has the finest display of bamboo handicraft from the state, making it a center of attraction. What the very important thing? Bamboo design houses. Bamboo pavilion is a temporary houses they made. It is very interesting to see. A center of attraction means very interesting to see. देखने का केंद्र बिंदु. Okay. Naga are greatly admired for the rich tradition of folk dance and music. Or what for the famous folk dance and music. Let's see. They are famous for dance and music is the soul of the festival. Without dance and music, festival is incomplete. Despite the event of Western cultural influences and modern way of living, now we are adopting the Western culture, Western music, Western dances. Though we have, it is popular in all over the world, still they have not forgotten their old type of, their own traditional dances. Naga have not given up their traditional art form. Given up means forget or leave. They still remember this type of culture. The vibrant local dance, vibrant is full of energy and life. जोशीला, उनका जो डांस है बहुत ही जोश से भरा हुआ रहता है. Local dances and song praising the bravado of ancient warriors. उनके गाना में उनके वीर लोगों का, तो पुराने समय के जो सैनिक लोगों के मतलब साहस को लेके गाना है. Bravado means boldness of ancient warrior, ancient soldiers. They remember and they sing song. Yeah, tragic love songs, very sad love story songs, gospel songs, the Christian, religious music song, blues style, Christian worship songs. Yeah, and folk tunes. Folk means cultural musics, and local music, an inseparable part of all Naga festival. So in the all Naga festival, these are all, we cannot separate them all. So this is dance and music we have discussed. Next talk about another point. The major ethnic groups in Nagaland are usually hunting tribes. What are people? They are hunting tribes. Sikari. The major ethnic means सब culture. उनके बहुत सारे ग्रुप, छोटे मोटे ग्रुप हैं, उन लोग शिकारी हैं. In Nagaland are usually hunting tribes. As a result, Naga dances are often replied. या Naga dance किससे भरा हुआ रहता है? Filled with something, with war cries. Yeah, what they are filled with war cry means लड़ाई को लेके उनका क्या है? उनका जुड़ा हुआ है. Yeah, their dance is related to the war cries and great jumps making the dances. और जो उनका जो डांस है बहुत कूदते हैं और झूमते हैं. Athletic and martial. Yeah, they are dancing is related to the games like and martial. Martial means just like fighting dance, either sports dance or the fighting dance. The dance is just like that. As they are, their culture is like that. War cries. Do you know? जो लड़ाई का जो चित्कार है by performance in the dance they show their war cries. और common feature of these dances, इस डांस में पूरा लड़ाई टाइप का दो ग्रुप रहते हैं, they fight like each other, fight with each other, this type of dances they have. Yeah, so music play a big role in the festivity of Northeast in general. Okay, performance from across the region means all over this area. Yeah, all the regions are the 7 sister states. Okay, they come to this place. Let's see. So music plays a big role in the festivity of Northeast in a general. Performance from across the region showcase their distinct dance with different type of dances and folk music during the Hornbill festival. Okay, in this festival they perform different type of dance and music. Let's see. The Hornbill festival is not just about reliving the religious past. Live with memory of the glorious past. Sorry, उनका सिर्फ अतीत को याद नहीं करते हैं. Yeah, in this festival they remember the glorious past, but also not only that much, but also it is also a celebration of the present. पुरानी बातों को भी याद करते हैं, अपने सैनिक लोगों को, और अभी के समय को भी रखते हैं सामने. On the biggest annual rock fest. Annual rock fest means they have one of the festival of rock. संगीत rock songs वहाँ चलता है. Rock fest of this country is also hosted in Kohima. Do you know? Kohima is the district of this Nagaland, and one of the village name is Kisama. So remember Kohima. Let's see. So Kohima during the Hornbill festival, the Hornbill National Rock Contest. उस contest का नाम क्या है? Hornbill National Rock Contest. Hornbill is the festival name. National is the total all over the country. Rock dance is the special dance. Okay. Rock contest and music festival is arguably the most popular event on the calendar of the rock fraternity in India. Yeah, rock friendship in India. Yeah. Now they have this type of culture of different types of tribes and different types of music, and they come and they perform their dances here. Fraternity means friendship. Okay. Famous bands. Do you know bands with different types of musics from all over the world, not only India. Those who are art lover, for they come from different places. Or those who love the music from different places or from the world, and all over the world participate in this festival. Okay, music lovers from all over the world visit this festival to experience the eclectic means selected from different places music of the Northeast. Yeah, from different places music they perform in this place. It's a very interesting one to observe this type of music. The other great passion of the region is, their passion is more interest to perform the and the programs. Okay, the food, and during the festival it is never in short supply. Food items. What is the next item after rock is food item. Yeah, I have told you festival means dance, music, hunting, music, foods, decoration, etc. उनको खाना को लेके भी बहुत सारा entertainment. Let's see whatever food they have. It is never in. Hornbill is a foodies paradise. Do you know foodies paradise means? Paradise is the heaven. Paradise is the happy place. खाना का स्वर्ग है. One can try all kinds of Naga traditional food. Yeah, whatever food they have, Naga traditional food. You know traditional food means in their way they prepare food. Okay. Tourists are welcome only to the traditional arts of each house, each tribe. Tourists means those are visitors. They welcome warmly welcome. Yeah, to their different huts means small house. The elderly of the tribe, elder means घर उस जनजाति के जो प्राचीन हैं, बुजुर्ग हैं. The elderly of the tribe then invite the guests to taste the various kinds of delicacies on offer and different types of tasty items. Whatever they have prepared, they give these items to the tourists. Yeah, those who come to visit this place. It's clear? One cannot miss the Naga chili eating contest. One of the chili मिर्ची खाने का competition होता है. Yeah, it's very great interesting competition. Let's see. The Naga King chili, also known as the Bhut Jholokia. इस चिली का नाम है भूत झोलोकिया. Naga great king of chili. Okay, Naga King chili has often been ranked the world's hottest chili. दुनिया का सबसे खतरनाक चिली है और उसी चिली को खाने का कंपटीशन है. चलो देखते हैं. The organizers of the festival take great pleasure in making participants cry. Yeah, as the participants eat this chili, आँखों से आंसू आएगा या रोएंगे, इतना जलता है मुंह. Let's see. The organizers of the festival take great pleasure in making participants cry. Competition में मतलब रोते हुए आँखों से या मुंह से मतलब जलते हुए भी लोग खाएंगे चिली. It's very interesting to see. Brave participants queue up in a line to eat as much as they can. चिली जितना हो सके उतना खाते हैं. Often whooping, क्योंकि ज़्यादा खाएंगे और इतना पावरफुल चिली है, आँखों आंसू आएगा. And they try to outperform others. In competition they like to eat too much chili. इसमें उन्हें रोते हुए भी देखने के लिए मजा आता है. Very excited to see this type of performance. Let's see. Next competition is the meat eating. चिली खाने का और एक meat eating. Meat eating. Okay? Let's see. Competition is another popular event. Meat being a major part of the northeast cuisine is method of cooking. तो मांस जो खाते हैं, जो खाना भी जो खाते हैं, meat means not only meat means flesh of animal but also the different types of foods also called meat. Okay, so northern cuisines, all possible meat dishes, different types of food items. Let's see. Are on offer for tourists to relish. Those are tourists, they are provided this type of tasty item. Roasted means heat in a oven. Dried, सूखा हुआ and smoked meat, yeah, with भाप वाला meat are available in the traditional Naga style. Naga style में खाना बना हुआ उस वहाँ फेस्टिवल में खाने के लिए मिलता है. Very interesting to eat. Naga cuisine means Naga style of making food is also incomplete without a traditional rice bear. या राइस का जो बेयर बनाया है उसके बिना मतलब the food item is incomplete. Yeah, I don't know what is the rice bear, but those who will go to Nagaland, they know what type of items they eat. Better once visit to enjoy their relish their items. Better by word I have not sufficient to say, but if you test, then you will know more than that. Exploring the local cuisines and the indigenous way means very local way of cooking often gives insight into the lives of the local people. Always a gastronomic delight. Do you know gastronomic means style of cooking or eating. खाने का जो तरीका है, yeah, that makes more happy. It also a lesson in living culture. A great lesson. Those who go to enjoy this program, they enjoy this type of eating also. Now next point in this chapter, the hornbill motor rally. Do you know motor rally means गाड़ी का भी rally होता है. Is another motor rally. Next one I can say motor rally. Let's discuss it. In this rally, is another unique event, means only one event, which should of interest the adventure seekers. Adventure seekers means those who like to dare risk their life for the climb the mountain or risk their life. That is called adventure. Okay. The rally covers 12 of the most picturesque location in the state. State में जो 12 तो मतलब दृश्य पट है. Picturesque means outlook, look, scenery. 12 how many? 12 picturesque means good look. दर्शनीय स्थान है. Very interesting thing. Avid motorist. Avid means keen interest in motor. Okay. और not जो गाड़ी चलाने आता है या नहीं आता है. Following the rally trail, rally में जो दौड़ते हैं, let's see, we allow one to witness the most awe-inspiring sight, means amazing sight the Naga countryside has to offer. या और उसमें वो सब मिल के दौड़ते हैं और चलते हैं. Yeah, people like to visit by rally in the group of people go together. Very interesting to see. द कोहिमा नाइट बाजार, उसके बाद रात का जो मार्केटिंग होता है, is another must see. If you go to Nagaland, if you Kohima means the district of Nagaland, you can see in this place. वहाँ जो रात का जो बाजार होता है, that is also very interesting. Let's see. This busy stretch of town comes alive during the Hornbill Festival with food, music and fun. What type of programs here? खाना है, संगीत है और आमोद प्रमोद है. Yeah, three things together in this festival. The streets get overcrowded with various food and handicraft stalls. क्योंकि जहाँ त्यौहार होता है देखना बहुत सारा स्टॉल लगता है और बहुत सारे लोकल आइटम बेचते हैं. या यू हैव सीन इन दिस टाइम ऑफ रथ यात्रा और दशहरा पूजा, you have observed this type different stall, different types of items, food items and everything is sold. Yeah, the same thing here also in Nagaland. And बहुत भीड़ होता है, especially in Odisha. In the दशहरा time you have observed overcrowded with various foods and handicraft stall. मीन्स हाथ से बना हुआ कोई कड़ा, कुछ आइटम है उसको मार्केट में बेचा जाता है. इट्स वेरी ग्रेट प्लेजर टू वॉक amidst all the hustle and bustle of the bazaar. Yeah, it's very interesting. Hustle and bustle means very busy, noisy surrounding of the bazaar. हो हल्ला, ऐसे बाजार में, भीड़ वाला बाजार में चलने में, घूमने में मजा आता है. Apart from the events of Hornbill, a trip to Nagaland is incomplete without a trek. Trek means long journey made on foot. पैदल यात्रा यहाँ करना सबसे आनंददायक है. Let's see the majestic जुको वैली का नाम है Juko Valley is a very special valley. Do you know valley means the two mountains, means slanting area, तराई, बीच वैली. ऐसे मतलब पहाड़ी इलाका को वैली बोला जाता है जहाँ पर दो पहाड़ ढलान रहता है. वो वैली एक व्यक्ति दिखने का लायक है. और इन दिस स्पॉट दे लाइक टू वॉक a long journey to enjoy this program. Located at the height of 2,438 meters from the sea level, 2,438 मीटर फ्रॉम सी लेवल. इतना ऊंचा वाला वैली में चलने में बहुत आनंददायक है. लेट्स सी. Which is above sea level. It is about 25 kilometers away from Kohima. From Kohima to here distance is 25 kilometers. They may walk. Yeah, a heaven of nature, enthusiast. That is a beautiful spot of watching. मतलब प्रकृति का जो स्वर्ग है, कुदरती स्वर्ग है जो देखने का आनंददायक है. The heaven for nature, the enthusiasts, those are very much anxious to see this, yeah, zeal to see this type of beauty. The valley provides panoramic means very wide view of the rivers, the mountains, the region, very nice, good landscape. Nadi, jharna, pahad, good, sundar haryali, natural spot beauty, very good to see. Yeah, when the multicolored rhododendron means bush with red, purple and pink color. Rhododendron means हरा, नीला, काला, क्या, लाल, नीला, पीला, पर्पल, ये सब कलर का जो फ्लावर रहते हैं, पेड़ रहते हैं, वो दिखने में बहुत सुंदर है. When the multicolored rhododendron are in full blossoming, and it's a sight to cherish. Very interesting to see this landscape. Very good spot to enjoy. Yeah. Now the end point of this chapter, a visit to the Kohima War Memorial. Finally वहाँ जाते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं? War Memorial. Last point, War Memorial. You know War Memorial means जो अपने देश के लिए जान दिए, शहीद हुए. क्योंकि सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर टाइम में जो लड़ाई हुआ था जापानी सेना और नागालैंड के साथ हुआ था, ये मेमोरी अभी तक याद करती है. War Memorial is a must for all history buffs. Those who like to observe history enthusiasts. Those who like to know more about the history, they come to this Kohima. was the location of one of the most crucial battle. Crucial battle means critical battle of World War II. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में जापानी सेना और कोहिमा का जो सैनिक में बहुत लड़ाई हुआ था. बैटल ऑफ कोहिमा was the turning point of the Japanese attack on India in 1944. So that year is very important for remember this. The battle was fought from 4 April to 22nd June. 4 April to 22nd June. Around 3 months battle from Japanese and the Kohima, this Nagaland. Very great memorable day. Yeah, the battle is often referred to as the Stalingrad of the East. Yeah, इस battle का नाम क्या है? Stalingrad of the East. Yeah, it's memorable day. And when they go to the festival time of Nagaland, tourists, people, those who love this history and the records, they visit these places. A walk in this war memorial will remind one of the sacrifice of the soldiers of a bygone era. Those who go to this place, war memorial, लड़ाई की याद आती है. And the people who remember the soldiers, they gave their life for this, their country in this place. From the defense from this Japanese troop. And that is the bygone era means the youth. That age is already gone. They remember these places. Yeah, those who go to Nagaland, they observe all these things. At the conclusion of the chapter, a trip to the Hornbill Festival is a must for anyone who wants to see the magnificent beauty, yeah, excellent beauty, very beauty, charming beauty, shining beauty, and cultural diversity, different types of culture we have discussed with the Northeast. And the very Hornbill Festival is the colorful festival of food, dance, music, hunting, dogs, and the food items, chili, meat eating, buttery, etc. All these things I have discussed, and I hope the lesson I have elaborated you, and I hope you will study well, learn more. Any doubt, repeat the video, and any doubt then also ask. I hope you study well and have a good day. Okay, see you again in next class. Okay, goodbye.